can see, there's a quite a large thunderstorm right here. You can see the anvil up there also. It's pretty much the only things going on in town right now. They are, I believe, moving southeast. Quite a nice looking thunderstorm here. Hasn't produced any lightning or thunder just yet, but looks like it's gonna get there soon. You can see there's another one back there, farther out in the distance, but like I said, really the only thing that's going on right now at this present time. I'll update this again soon when I get a little bit